Hi children, welcome back to my channel which is Master English with नीति। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पे जो कि है Master English with नीति। आज हम करेंगे स्टोरी नंबर 15 which is buns and eggs। मुझे तो भूख लगी सुन के, buns के साथ eggs, yummy combination। So let's read the story to find out what it is all about। As you can see, we are on story number 16, buns and eggs। So आज हम पढ़ेंगे स्टोरी नंबर 16, buns and egg। Words we know, words जो हम ऑलरेडी जानते हैं। Let's read, repeat after me। No, 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 go, 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 so, 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 then, then, there, there, the, girl, girl, her, sister, sister. Remember sound words, er sound, right? Yeah. Boy, his, brother, tall, all sound words, small, all sound words, fall, all sound words, ball, call, wall, all have all sound words from the previous story number 15, tall and small. Matter, sound words, better, taller, better, taller and matter both have all the three have sound words in the end. Now, new sound which is introduced in the story we are going to learn is double O sound, which is as in cook, but this is shorter, not longer. So you need to look through the story, find each word with this double O sound and say it aloud. Children, there is always a long O sound and a short O sound. This is a short O sound, cook, because we are not going to say cook, we are going to say cook. So it's a short O sound, double O sound, okay? Now, special words in the story are they, your, together, to, T-H-E-Y, they, Y-O-U-R, your, together, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. Again, last में sound is there, and do. Alright. Now what you have to do, look through the story, find and say each special word. Now we are ready to read the story. Yay! So let's move on and read the story, children. Wow, this story looks yummy. I mean, there's like, I can say food, maybe there's a chef. Oh, and he has this mustache, which shows that he's a proper chef. And then he's wearing his chef dress, his chef hat, and yeah, there's a book, maybe a menu book in his hand. And then there's a lady who seems a little angry, and she is wearing a bizarre head gear. It's a cap on the head, but it looks really funny. Who wears so many fruits on the head? I mean, that's a little funny to me. And the dress of the lady is all about fruits and berries and I don't know what all there is there on the top, children, right? And she is holding a whisk in her hand and she looks really annoyed. Let's see why. This seems like a funny story. Let's read. Pam had come to cook with Bill. Repeat after me. Pam had come to cook with Bill. Now Pam is the lady and she had come to cook with Bill the chef. Okay? You must look at the cookbook, Bill told her. Now Bill being the chef, and chefs are always specific to the measurements of their food. They know what they want to put in their meals and they always follow the instructions, especially the instruction manual, given in the instruction manual. So now the chef is Bill and he's asking Pam, the lady, to go by the instruction book, that is the menu. Whatever they want to cook, he is telling her that you should read the menu first, Pam. And on this, Pam seems annoyed, angry, cross with him. You remember cross, children? Cross means angry. Another word of anger, for anger, synonym of anger is cross. I want to be a cook, but I do not want to cook with your book, said Pam. Now what Pam is saying? Pam is saying, I want to be a cook, but I do not want to cook with your book, भैया. मुझे तुम्हारी बुक से नहीं खाना बनाना है. मुझे कुक बनना है, but तुम्हारी बुक को देख कर नहीं. Please. So Pam seems really annoyed with them, children. All right. Put your big hat on the hook, said Bill to Pam. Please do not cook with your big hat on. Now, Bill, like I said, children, I found the hat of Pam a little disturbing. I mean, who wears that kind of hat? I mean, who does for cooking? But I think Pam took everything literally. She wanted to cook, so she made sure that she's uh, in that mode of cooking. But then you do not wear such weird clothing, but she wore. That was her thought process. And now Bill कह रहा है पैम को, तुम पहले तो अपना ये हैट हटाओ, उसको हुक पे टांगो. Hang your hat on the hook. See, there is a hook specifically designed to hang your coat, your belongings, your hat or your umbrella, okay, on this hook. And now let's see what Pam has to say. She says, I do not want to look at the cookbook, said Pam. अब Pam बोल रही, मुझे cookbook देखनी नहीं है, मैंने तुम्हें बता दिया, हटाओ इसे. And I do not want to put my big hat on the hook. मैं ये अपना big hat भी बिल्कुल भी नहीं हटाऊंगी और ना मैं hook पे रखूंगी. Pam is really annoying, isn't it? I mean, what does Bill have got to do? I mean, he can't help it. And Pam is really annoyed. I don't know why she is so annoyed. What is on her mind, children? Let's read to find out why she is so annoyed. I like my hat, said Pam. Okay, now Pam is saying that मुझे मेरा hat बहुत पसंद है, ये तो मैं नहीं हटाऊंगी. I like to cook with it on. और मैं खाना इसी को डाल के पकाऊंगी क्योंकि मुझे खाना बनाते वक्त ये hat डालना बहुत पसंद है. If you must, said Bill. Bill कह रहा ठीक है, अगर तुम्हें करना ही तो कर लो, इससे ज़्यादा मैं क्या बोलूँ. Pam kept her big hat on और Pam ने अपना big hat डाले रखा. I love buns, said Bill. I love buns, said Bill. I love buns, said Bill. Bill ने कहा मुझे buns बहुत पसंद है. Me too, said Pam. Pam ने कहा मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है. I will cook 10 little buns for us. Pam कह रही मैं buns पकाती हूँ, है ना, हमारे लिए. I will cook too, said Bill. Bill कहता मैं भी help करूँगा cooking में. All right. I will cook the buns by myself, said Pam. I will cook the buns by myself. अब Pam क्या चीज़ बार बार बोल रही है, मैं buns खुद ही बनाऊंगी. I do not like to cook with cooks. और मुझे cooks के साथ खाना बनाने में बिल्कुल मज़ा नहीं आता है. Pam कह रही है. And I do not like to cook with books. और books के साथ तो खाना बनाना बिल्कुल ही नहीं पसंद है मुझे. Pam कह रही है. They did not want to cook together, but they wanted to have their dinner together. What a funny thing, children. सबसे funny चीज़ यही है, पैम को और बिल को दोनों को साथ में खाना खाना था, डिनर साथ में खाना था, लेकिन खाना खुद साथ नहीं बनाना था. This is so funny. See, Bill is doing his separate work with eggs and Pam is busy with her baking of buns. Yes? See, I told you it's a funny story. It's funny, funny, funny. Now, let's move on. Bill got a pan and 6 eggs. Bill ने एक pan लिया, उसमें 6 eggs डाले. I will cook the eggs by myself, said Bill. Bill कह रहा है ठीक है, you look after buns. मैं eggs अपने आप ही बनाऊंगा, इसमें मैं किसी की help नहीं लूँगा. I will look in my cookbook for an egg dinner, said Bill. I will look in my cookbook for an egg dinner. अब बिल ने क्या कहा, मैं एग का डिनर बनाऊंगा और मैं अपनी कुक बुक में देखकर बनाऊंगा. So Bill said that he will look into his cookbook and make the eggs. We shall have dinner together. Pam was cooking buns. और Pam ने कहा खाना तो हम साथ में ही खाएंगे, भले ही हम अलग अलग काम कर रहे हैं. And she is busy, see children, now she is preparing the dough. She is kneading. आटा जब हम गूंथते हैं, आटा गूंथने को बोलते हैं kneading the dough. और जो वो गूंथने के बाद बनता है, जब आप गूंथ देते हो उसे बोलते हैं dough. So Pam is kneading the dough. All right, kneading the dough. Repeat after me, kneading the dough. All right, good children. Now let's move on to the next page. Then Bill cooked the eggs by himself. और Bill ने जैसा like he said, he ended up cooking the eggs by himself. They did not cook together, and उन दोनों ने साथ में cook नहीं किया, but they did have their dinner together. But they had their dinner together. And see, Pam is also happily eating. Bill is also happily eating and serving, and both are enjoying their yummy, sumptuous means tasty dinner. All right. Now let's move on to the words we used. Before that, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, you don't have to be together all the time. There can be times when you have differences of opinion and you can still be together. I mean, you do not have to have the same common hobbies to like each other. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अगर आप एक दूसरे को पसंद करते हो तो आपकी हॉबीज़ भी सेम हो. दे कैन बी डिफरेंट. अभी यहाँ पे पैम की अपनी हॉबीज़ थी, उसको कुक करना पसंद था विदाउट द कुक बुक, और बिल को बुक के साथ इंस्ट्रक्शन मैनुअल फॉलो करना पसंद था. But they respected each other's differences. And then they ended up having a yummy dinner together. भले ही they cooked अलग अलग, उन्होंने separately काम डिवाइड करके अपना अपना काम किया, लेकिन उनका जो टीम वर्क था वो था together. So हमने moral of the story is, you should work in a team and you should respect each other's opinions and differences. All right. You should respect each other's difference of opinion. अगर किसी को आपके पॉइंट से नहीं समझ आ रहा है और उसको, अगर किसी को अपने हिसाब से चलना है उसको चलने दो, लेकिन अगर आप दोनों को पता है कि आपका एंड टारगेट सेम है और उसके लिए आप दोनों काम कर रहे हो और आप अचीव भी कर रहे हो, तो देयर इज़ नो हार्म. सो रिस्पेक्ट ईच अदर्स डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन एंड वर्क टूवर्ड्स दिस कॉमन गोल in achieving the common goals. So teamwork but not stressing or pondering on something. All right. Now let's move on to the words we have used. Repeat after me. Together, together, together. R, we, they, then, then, there, do, two, you, your, have, come, good, cook, hook. And some new words that are introduced in the story are wood, hood, stood. Wood, hood, stood. See, short double O sound words. They are not wood, hood or stood. They are short O sounds. So wood, hood and stood. Alright. So I hope you liked reading the story. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I hope that आपको मज़ा आया स्टोरी में. मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया. I will see you in the next story. Till then, bye bye. Like, share and subscribe.